Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. As we reflect our gospel today, most especially now that we are near the doorway to the holy season of Lent, and as we thank the Lord for the many graces during the ordinary time, we remember those moments when we were asked or when we are asked to give sa mga panahon na tayo ay hinikayat na magbigay. Moments when we were asked to be generous. I know, human as we are, there will be moments we call panghihinayang. Ibibigay ko ba yung 1,000 o yung 500 sa akin na lang at yung kalahati sa iba? Kapag kami kinausap ako, will I be giving 2 hours or just 30 minutes or just 15 minutes? Or will I be giving my whole morning to this person? Kapag ka nagsimba ba ako, yung isip ko nasa bahay, ako nandito sa simbahan, o kaya my thoughts is already running what to eat for lunch after this Mass? When we are challenged or asked to give, are we really there to give our all, to give everything? Generosity, giving up, being magnanimous, as what Saint Ignatius is trying to teach us with his spiritual exercises, comes as a strong theme for today's readings. Peter began to say to Jesus, "We have given up everything to follow you." And we have to take in mind, we have to bear in mind that whenever we are giving up everything, whenever we give our all, it is not only that we give our all to a person, to a certain experience, to a certain event in life. But hopefully when we give our all, we bear in mind that we give our all to God. Because when we give our all to God, then God can definitely give the many alls, everything that He can give to us. Jesus assures that for those who have given up everything, families, relationships, things, blessings that we have, will not receive 100 times more in this present age. Dahil nagbigay ng lahat, alam din ng Diyos ibigay ang lahat para sa atin. As I've said, we are on the doorway to these sacred celebrations of the Lenten season. Ibibigay natin ang sarili natin sa oras ng panalangin, sa oras ng pakikipagkasundo sa Diyos, to moments when we are called or where we are called to be charitable. And hopefully, let us give our all. Not only 1%, not only my ears, not only my physical presence, but our everything. Dahil ang nagbibigay ng lahat sa Diyos, makakaramdam din kung papaano magbigay ang Diyos ng lahat. Ibigay ang lahat at hayaan mong ibigay din ng Diyos ang lahat. It is to God that we will be giving our all. And let this God who is gracious give His all from His heart, from His goodness, and once more, an experience of grace be there for us every day.